Okay, mathematicians, we basically want to know how to use this slide down here to find the greatest common factor of two numbers. Well, if you look right down there, we got the numbers 12 and 20. We want to know what the biggest number is that goes into 12 and 20. That's called the greatest common factor. Well, one way to do that is to find the prime factorization of each number. So let's find the prime factorization of 12 and then the prime factorization of 20. Let's go! Okay, we just found the prime factorization of 12. We're going to put that right down there. The prime factorization of 12 is, so we're going to go to these numbers right down here, and we're going to pull over a 2, and we're going to pull over another 2, and we're going to pull over a 3. So now we have the prime factorization of 12 right below me. 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Great. Now let's go find the prime factorization of 20. Let's go! Okay, so the prime factorization of 20, let's use the prime factors right over here. Right over here, we're going to use those numbers and drag them over. So we're going to drag over a 2. We're going to drag over another 2. And we're going to drag over a 5 because 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 times 5 is 20. We've got the two prime factorizations of 12 and 20 right down here. Look at them. Now we got to look and see if there are any common prime factors. And so we see that there is actually one common prime factor right here, the number 2. 12 and 20 both share a prime factor of 2. But if you look a little closer, you can see right down there that they share another prime factor of 2. So basically they share two prime factors of 2. So we're going to put those common factors right in the box way down there that says common factors. So there's the 2, and there's another 2. No. Okay. So what we can do is click down there on that text box, and we will put in the common factors. So there's my click. I got a common factor of 2, and I've got a common factor of 2 again. So those are the shared common factors. And what is 2 times 2? It's 4. So we're going to double click on the GCF box, and we find basically that 4 is the biggest number that goes into 12 and 20. I mean, when you think about it, the only other bigger numbers that go into 12 besides 4 is 6 and 12, and neither 6 and 12 go into 20. So 4 is actually the biggest number that goes into 12 and 20. Nice job. Now, see if you can do the same thing down through the other slides. Let's find the GCF of each pair of numbers using prime factorization and looking for common factors. Good luck!